Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable messages notifications on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on messages, and in messages we're going to go down and tap on notifications. Then tap on allowed notifications. Tap on the switch to turn it off or turn it on. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now, if you turn off notifications, whenever someone sends you a message, you will not get notified. However, you still can see the incoming messages in the messaging app. And that's it. Thank you.